Curious about how to post a trial reel on Instagram? In this guide, I'll show you how to test your content and share it selectively before making it public. Let's get started. Open the Instagram app on your phone. Tap your profile picture in the bottom right corner to access your profile. On your profile page, look for the plus icon at the top and tap it. From the menu that appears, select Reel. You'll now see your device's gallery. Choose a video from your gallery or record a new one directly within the app. After selecting your video, you'll enter the editing screen. Here, you can personalize your reel by adding music, text, stickers, or effects to make it unique. Once you're satisfied with the edits, tap Next. On the next screen, write a description for your reel. Below the description section, you'll notice an option labeled Trial. Toggle the switch next to Trial to enable it. Finally, tap the Share to Reels button to post your trial reel. Your reel will now be visible only to non-followers and won't appear on your profile until you decide to make it public. This is a great way to test your content before sharing it widely. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more Instagram tips, and hit the notification bell to stay updated. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.